This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by John Templeton. Amazing one-level Bayshore Arms condo in Fairhaven with fantastic unobstructed bay views, close to Taylor Dock and Boulevard Park. Open layout with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, large living area, great westerly facing windows and sliding glass doors to the private covered patio overlooking the bay from both the living room and master bedroom. Assigned covered parking and storage for the unit. Chrysalis Hotel and Spa nearby. Easy walk to Fairhaven. Plumbed for natural gas. For more information, review the details below.